As a Russian Grad system was spotted when firing off some rockets, Ukraine's surveillance drone could report its position for a FPV drone to chase after. As the drone was close by, quickly reaching up to the system while on the move, the Grad system doesn't have any armor, making it easier to damage or destroy. But as some rockets were still loaded, the drone strike caused an immediate chain reaction, causing the whole system to blow up, resulting in another of Russia's Grad getting destroyed, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.